Today I'm going to show you how to make beef and onion pasties. Firstly, we are going to make the pastry. This is a short crust pastry recipe. If you do want to just go and buy short crust pastry, by all means you can do. If you want to switch it up a little bit and use puff pastry, that would also work quite nicely. But if you do want to make your own, you will need 200 grams of plain flour, 130 grams of butter cubed, 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. Firstly, in a bowl, to your flour, add your cubed butter and with the tips of your fingertips, mix into the flour until it resembles breadcrumbs. Then add your egg and mix in. And then finally add a little bit of water at a time until it comes together as a pastry. Then pop this in the fridge for about half an hour just to allow the pastry to rest. While the pastry is resting, we want to make the filling. For the filling, you will need 250 grams of minced beef, 3 garlic cloves, 2 onions, 1 tablespoon of oil, 25 grams of butter, 2 tablespoons of flour, 200 milliliters of beef stock, and 1 egg. If you want to put any vegetables into this recipe, you can do. I just haven't on this occasion. Firstly, we want to prepare our onions and garlic. So you just want to roughly chop up your onions and garlic into small cubes. Then, having put a saucepan on a low heat, add your oil, your onions and your garlic, and sweat these for 5 minutes on a low heat. Then add your mince and break it up with your spoon, and you want to cook this for about 10 minutes until it is cooked through and browned. If you were to add any vegetables like peas or carrots, this is the point that you'd pop it in. Then add your butter and mix until it's melted. And then add your flour and mix that in as well. Then finally put your beef stock in and mix again until really well combined, and you should have a really nice thick gravy. Then we want to roll out our pastry. On a pre-floured surface, roll out your pastry until it's about 1 centimetre thick. Then I have used one of my smaller plates to cut round to give me the template of a circle. So if you want them big, because I wanted them to have for a dinner, so I wanted them quite big, I used the dinner plate. If you wanted them as like little picky snack foods, like party food sort of thing, you could just use a really large cookie cutter. Then, having pre-prepared a cookie tray with baking paper, I'm just going to put my circle of pastry on top. And then to 1/2 of the pastry circle, I'm going to add my filling. You want to make sure you don't add too much filling because otherwise it will push out as you seal it up. Then, having pre-beaten the egg, you just want to egg wash half of your circle and then simply fold your pastry over to enclose your filling and seal down. I've just used a fork to ensure a nice seal around the edges, but it also makes a nice decorative edge. Then you want to put a hole in the side of your pastry just to allow any steam to escape, and then simply egg wash the top of your pasty with your rest of your beaten egg. And then we want to pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 6, 200 degrees centigrade or 180 fan assisted for about 25 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. That's how you make beef and onion pasties.